Hey, we have had a dog door for quite some time here. Just haven't been using it, but with winter coming now, we're going to train them again so they can come straight from the dog room, out the dog door, into the fenced backyard. And so that should be a lot better for mud and everything else. So let's see if we can get Finn to go through here. It'll be the first time.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree. No whiny, wimpy little pooch, don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. Yeah, but he's doing alright. And it's a Great Dane, stands 6'5".
Can I put you on camera? Meanwhile, someone's being good. But as soon as we let Magic back in here, I think this guy is going to start to take a bite out of his back legs. Be nice. He almost got the eye. We're working on teaching Finn how to use the dog door. Hey, Finn! Come on, Finn. Here, Finn. Go on inside. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, Finn. Come on, Finn. Let's go inside. Come on inside. Here, Finn. Here, Finn. Come on, come on.
Hi, Finn.
Come on, Finn. Come here.
Hi, buddy.
Come here.
Hi, buddy.
Let's go. Come on, good boy. Yeah,
Oh,
come on,
good
come on. Oh, yeah, nice
boy.
job.
Hi, can you go inside?
Yeah, go inside.
Good boy.
Magic. Hey, buddy. Here he comes. Magic knows how to use this thing. Oh, good boy. What, do you want something to eat? He says, I'm going in my house. Please feed me. Sit then.
Magic goes through that door so much easier, doesn't
Oh, no. What's the matter? We're out of food. We don't have any dog food. What are we going to do, Finn? Get in your house. Finn, house. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boys. We'll get some more food. Don't worry. Working on patching up these walls. And what does Finn do? He starts eating it some more. He's a puppy. What can we say? If you haven't seen in previous episodes, we are feeding Pro Plan from Purina, which is a company I work for, full disclosure. And we are feeding the adult shredded blend of chicken and rice formula. And Finn gets 3 cups of food 3 times a day. And Magic over here, he gets 2 even cups in the morning and 2 in the evening. And sometimes we give him a little snack at lunch because he likes to eat. That's why he's just standing in his house saying, give me some food. And we do have a water bottle here, so they can have water whenever they want. And this is our great little food storage container. Again, from Simple Human. What do you say? Sit. Good boy. Stay. Helping me, Finn? One, two, three. There you go. What is it, Finn? Good boy. Eat your dinner. Eat your dinner, good boy. So, I hope you think that was interesting. Using the dog door is important, and they're fast learners, and that's the biggest dog door you can buy. So that's it. Have a great day.
Dane stands 6'5", feel his cold wet nose when I close my eyes. It's a Great Dane in the neighborhood. Why can't every dog be just as good?